The quality seedlings for the restoration and creation of new forest areas are raised in the nurseries of Balliguda Forest Division. For producing such quality planting materials, quality vermi-compost is needed. To meet the requirement of vermi-compost in the nursery and in the plantation, vermi-compost units were created in the nurseries of Balliguda Forest Division.
So every year we require huge quantity of vermi-compost, and we depend on suppliers. Quantity wise it is huge, and transportation cost was also high. And in time we need the vermi-compost during the plantation time. So we faced this problem, and then we thought of producing our own vermi-compost involving the local villagers. So and in all the 7 ranges we identified the SHG, and in one of the range one VSS is producing. So those SHG we have offered the space, we have a structure, and where we do not have the structure we have temporary bags, and in that temporary bags the women or SHG members, they are coming to us, and we are producing the vermi-compost.
Permanent masonry and seal pollen vermi-compost unit are established in the nurseries, which are managed by the women self-help groups with the hand-holding support of the forest department. The women working in the nursery devote extra 2 hours time along with their usual work at the nurseries for maintenance and production of vermi-compost from the units.
आम ये 2 घंटा घंटे काम टाइम दौचु टाइम देला 8टा हला आम कंपाउंड काम करूँ गछ कि पत्र कौन घास फास उपड़ा उपड़ी सब करूँ जी घास गुड़ाक बाहर सब एकाडे रखुचु रखिकी से घास को सुखी गले झाड़ी झुड़ी कर आनिक कुंडर पकाऊ.
They collect weeds from the nursery and use in the unit along with unused kendu leaves and sal leaves to produce high quality vermi-compost.
The kendu leaf division, they are producing the kendu leaves. They are having unused or waste leaves, they are just throwing it out, and those leaves we are taking it, and out of the kendu leaf we are producing very good vermi-compost. In return the forest department is purchasing those that vermi-compost, and we are using it for our plantation purpose, and we are also producing vermi-compost out of weeds. So we are getting a huge quantity of weeds inside the nursery, and also adjacent to the nearby nursery areas we are collecting the weeds, and we have also successfully produced the vermi-compost out of it.
The produced vermi-compost are analyzed for nutrient status in Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology, which stated availability of adequate micro and macronutrients which will be helpful for plant growth.
So we are also experimenting with production of vermi-compost with sal leaves. In Balliguda and overall Odisha we have huge quantity of sal leaves. It is under the process or under the experimentation, and to some extent we are successful, and with little bit of modification I hope that will also be a successful experiment. We are getting very good quality of vermi-compost which we had sent to OU8, and they have graded A+ quality, and villagers are getting employment, and we are getting very good quality vermi-compost at a very less rate.
धर्म कंपोस्ट आम ये काढ़ुचु पैकेट करुचु आने आम नर्सरी कम लगाऊँ आ बाहर को जमी देवा कथा आम दौचु किलो 20 टंका हिसाब से दौचु गोटे पैकेट 25 किलो पैकेट करके रखी था.
Such an attempt of Balliguda has brought the financial stability among the SHG members, along which in turn helping in achieving the broad objective of environmental stability.
नर्सरी आम ये कम करुचु से 2 पैसा पाऊँ अधिक आठ भी 2 पैसा आम रोजगार करके जो खटुचु से हिसाब से आम पाऊँ.